Product Review Number 1. Best Overall, DeWalt DWP-849X Buffer/Polisher. Pros: soft starting, precise speed control, durable. Cons: heavy. DeWalt is a trusted manufacturer of high-quality power tools, including the DeWalt DWP-849X Buffer/Polisher, which is a variable speed polisher. While it costs a couple $100s, it was built to last with its wool ingestion shield that prevents wool pads from getting stuck in the motor. Another unique feature of this heavy-duty tool is its soft start. Instead of immediately starting at a wild spin, it gradually works up to speed. This helps to better control the buffer while in use. Key features. Cost, around $250. Weight, 6.7 pounds. Speed range, 600 to 3,500 revolutions per minute, RPM corded or cordless options. 12.0 amp motor. 120.0 volts. Speed dial. Wool ingestion shield. Rubber handle for Product Review Number 2. Best Kit, Torq 503X Torq's Random Polisher Kit. Pros: high-speed polishing. Several different kits available. Easy to use. Cons: motor can stick with extensive use. This car buffer is manufactured by Torq but sold through chemical guys. You can purchase the buffer by itself or in 3 kits that all have different car detailing products from the chemical guys company. Kit options include car polisher only, polisher with buffing pads and compounds, polisher with buffing pads, compounds, cleaner, and conditioner, polisher with buffing pads, cleaner, conditioner, and towels. If your car has many deep scratches, this may be the best car polisher for you. This is a high-speed buffer that offers an RPM speed up to 7,800, which is enough to buff out at any imperfections capable of buffing. Key features. Cost, around $180. Weight, 6.5 pounds. Speed range, 2,800 to 7,800 RPM. Several kit options. Random orbital polisher. 120.0 volts. 1-year warranty. What customers are saying. Amazon review score, 4.7 out of 5 based on over 8,200 ratings. Customers say this product is user-friendly for drivers of all auto detailing backgrounds, especially if you watch the Chemical Guys instructional videos on YouTube. Product Review Number 3. Best for Beginners, Avid Power EP127 Polisher. Pros: includes many accessories. Beginner-friendly. Low cost. Cons: low power motor. The Avid Power Car Buffer is meant for beginners. It has a rubber body so that it doesn't slip in your hands, and it comes with detailed instructions to help you determine which of the 6 speeds to use for the imperfection you're trying to buff out. This car buffer also comes with all of the tools you need for application, including a foam disc, detachable handle, spanner, hex wrench, and foam pads. Key features. Cost, $80. Weight, 6.8 pounds. Speed range, 1,500 to 6,800 RPM. Dual action. 5.0 amp motor. 120.0 volts. 6-speed control dial. Rubberized body for no-slip control. 6-month warranty. What customers are saying. Amazon review score, 4.5 out of 5 based on over 6,300 ratings. Customers like this buffer's affordability. They claim it is easy for beginners to use because it includes specific directions that tell you what speed to use for different surface imperfections. There are some customer complaints that this buffer stops spinning if you put too much pressure on it. Product Review Number 4. Best Warranty, Ginour 900 watt 6-inch variable speed dual action random orbit car buffer polisher. Pros: can be used to polish, wax, and buff. Lightweight. Relatively quiet. Includes lifetime warranty. Cons: heats up quickly. Speed adjustment dial is poorly positioned. This Ginour buffer looks similar to Avid Power's buffer. It comes with the tools you'll need for application, and it has 6 speeds to target different surface imperfections. However, this one is more lightweight and produces less noise. While most buffers include warranties that last a few years, this one comes with a lifetime warranty, which ensures you're never left without a functioning buffer. Also included with the Ginour 900 watts are a base pad, foam disc, D-handle, side handle, hex wrench, carbon brush, and packaging bag. Key features. Cost, $77. Weight, 5.7 pounds. Speed range, 2,000 to 6,400 RPM. Dual action polisher. 7.5 amp motor. 120.0 volts. 6-level variable speed dial. Product review number 5. Pros. Can polish cars and boats. Lightweight. 2 handles for added stability. Inexpensive. Cons. Difficult to remove and attach pads. This car buffer was designed with ergonomics in mind. It's lightweight, which means you don't have to worry about holding up a heavy machine. It also has 2 handles, allowing you to buff from all angles. As with other tools on our list, this buffer is backed by a warranty. If it stops working within 2 years, you can contact the company for a replacement. In addition to the warranty, the Black & Decker buffer comes with a foam applicator and polishing bonnets. Key features. Cost, around $42. Weight, 5.3 pounds. Speed range, 4,400 RPM. Random orbital buffer. 120.0 volts. 2-handle design. 2-year warranty. What customers are saying. Amazon review score, 4.4 out of 5, based on over 9,400 ratings. Customers say this product is lightweight and quiet in comparison to other car buffers. They also like the 2-handle design because it allows users to buff from different angles. Some have complained that the buffer vibrates a lot during use and that it doesn't perform well if you put product on the polishing pads. Black & Decker WP 900 6-inch Random Orbit Waxer/Polisher. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.